In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your software stack in ClickUp. This step-by-step approach will help you clearly document all the tools your team uses, understand what each one is for, and keep track of ownership in a structured and reliable way. It's especially useful for founders, teams, and freelancers who want to replace scattered notes and confusion with a centralized system that actually makes sense. To begin, log into your ClickUp account and arrive at your main dashboard. Before creating anything, take a moment to decide where your software stack should be stored. For most workflows, it works best to dedicate a separate space specifically for this purpose. On the left-hand sidebar, select the option to create a new space. Give it a clear and meaningful name such as Software Stack or Tools and Systems. You can also personalize it with an icon and color to make it easier to recognize at a glance. Once everything looks good, confirm and create the space. After your new space is ready, it's time to structure it in a way that will stay organized over time. Inside the space, create either a list or a folder, depending on how detailed you want your setup to be. For most users, a single list is enough to keep things simple and easy to manage. Name this list something descriptive like Company Software Stack or All Software Tools. Now you will start building your actual inventory. Each task inside the list will represent one software tool that your organization uses. This could include platforms like ClickUp, Slack, Google Workspace, Notion, or any other application in your system. Create a new task and name it after the software itself. Inside each task, use the description area to document key information. This should include what the tool is used for, who is responsible for it, any important access or login notes, and details about billing or renewal cycles. Keeping this information centralized helps avoid confusion later on and ensures nothing gets lost. To make your setup even more powerful, you can enhance each task with custom fields. These can include details such as monthly cost, category, current status, and renewal date. This allows you to quickly filter your stack, analyze expenses, and identify tools that may no longer be needed or actively used. As you continue adding tools, repeat this process until your entire software ecosystem is documented in one place. You can also assign task owners, attach relevant files like invoices, and use comments to track updates or changes over time. Once everything is complete, you'll have a fully organized view of your software stack inside ClickUp, making it much easier to manage, evaluate, and scale your tools efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.